Hello and welcome back to the PianoCal YouTube channel. I'm Mark Wienman, the founder of PianoCal and a piano technician for the last 20 years. Today I'm really excited to announce a brand new feature that we've been working on for a while, the Overdue Reset. Have you ever serviced a new client's piano and then never heard from them again? I wanted an automated solution to this problem that didn't take up any of my time, and that's why we developed the Overdue Reset. Now, every piano tech is different, but in my business, repeat clients make up a full 90% of my income. For that reason, it's extremely important that you turn every client into a repeat client. While PianoCal will send reminder emails to clients whose pianos are due for service, if the recipient continues to ignore these emails, they'll be placed into the overdue list, which means they stop receiving automatic booking reminders. That is, until now. In settings, you'll now be able to specify when a client will be removed from the overdue list in terms of days. For example, you may wish to remove clients from the overdue list after 90 days. But the clients don't enter a state of limbo. Our new overdue reset algorithm will simply repeatedly calculate a new contact due date until it finds the first date in the future. Regularly scheduled email reminders that you've set up will then continue totally automatically. For example, say you last tuned for a client whose piano was on a 6-month schedule on September 7th, 2017. PianoCal will simply repeatedly calculate the next due date in 6-month increments until it finds the first date in the future, which is September 7th, 2019. PianoCal will automatically email them booking invites in the days leading up to that contact date, reminding them that their last service was already 2 years ago. But the best part of this feature is that it's conducted completely automatically. PianoCal software runs through your overdue list every 24 hours and detects which clients are approaching this new reminder date. In the past, I've had hundreds of overdue clients sitting in my overdue list. So individually calling or emailing all of them would take up a ton of my time. Even if they did reply, I'd have to send them an e-booking invite or manually book them in. But now with the Overdue Reset, PianoCal contacts all of your past clients, works on converting them into current clients again, and invites them to book a service without you having to do anything. Now let me share some stats that really drive home how helpful this new feature really is. First, did you know that email is the #1 method of digital communication? One study found that 85% of all internet users in the USA use email, which is 15% more than social media. Also, previous clients have a much higher chance of booking your services again than a brand new client. 2 to 3 times more likely, in fact. Finally, a survey of digital marketers found that email marketing is still the #1 way to market your services or product. And with PianoCal, you get a 24/7 digital marketer just for the low cost of your monthly subscription. If you haven't already signed up for a free 30-day trial of PianoCal, visit our website and sign up. We're always here to help make the software work its hardest for you, and we're happy to answer any questions you have about our videos or the software. For more videos just like this one, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out the links in the description. I'm Mark Wienman, and I'll see you next time.